What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're going to be filming a Lady Dimitrescu look, and I'm super excited. This is part of one of my Halloween videos, and I have been planning on doing this ever since I saw the early pictures of the Resident Evil game, or the new Resident Evil game that had just recently came out. I already recreated one of her vampire daughters, and now I'm going to recreate Lady Dimitrescu. So let's dive into it. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my face and possibly like my neck and my chest area, but I'll probably just focus on the chest later on. But I'm going to be mixing two things together. I'm going to be mixing the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Warm, and I'm going to be mixing with this Baby Bat Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Purity. This is a white liquid lipstick. I don't have, I mean, they do sell like white foundations and concealers and stuff like that, but I don't have any on hand, so we're just going to get a little creative here. I want to look as pale as her. I also do have a discount code with Baby Bat Beauty. It's Denise_Draven for about, I think, 15% off of your total purchase, so I guess you'll go check them out because their products are amazing. They have some really cool eyeshadow palettes, and their lipsticks are amazing, and they smell amazing. They smell like cake batter. They smell really good, you guys. And their packaging is also really cute, so you guys go check them out. And also my discount code is down below in the description box as well with all my other discount codes. Next, I'll be setting the makeup using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Translucent Loose Powder. Okay, so next we're going to be diving into the Lunatic Cosmetics Contour Palette, and I'm going to be diving into the cool contour shades to be contouring my face. I'll be contouring it too much, but I want to add some depth to my face because I feel like it looks flat with all the white makeup now. I'm contouring my cheekbones and probably my jawline a little bit as well. I want to resculpt it just a little bit. Okay, so next we're going to be diving into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam 2 palette. And first I'm going to be diving into the shade Tempera to create a base. Not necessary, but I like working from light to dark, so we're going to create a base using that shade. I'm going to be dusting it all over my eyelid and probably underneath my eyes as well. Okay, so we're diving into the same palette again, and we're going to be diving into the shade Dusty Rose and basically dusting it all over my eyelid, blending it out. Not too much, we're going to be starting right here and blending it out, kind of into like the previous shade that we had just applied. Okay, so next we're diving into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette, and we're going to be diving into the shade Supreme, and we're going to be dusting it on lightly. I don't know if you guys noticed, while I was doing makeup I just decided to like pack in more of the Dusty Rose shade, more into like my creases, just to make it a little bit darker. But yeah, we're going to be dusting this over the previous shade that we had just applied, just to give it a little bit touch of a pink. Her eyeshadow is kind of pinkish, so that's what I want to go for. Okay, so next I'm diving into the same palette again, and we're going to be diving into the shade Pinker, and I'm applying it onto kind of like the inner corner of my eye and blending it up into my crease, and the outer corner of my eye and blending it into the crease as well. Kind of want to almost create like a halo eye effect. Okay, so next we're using the same palette again, and we're going to be adding the shade Soleil onto the center of the eyelid right here. I'm just using my finger just to dab it on. Okay, so next I'm adding some eyeliner to my waterline. I'm using the KVD Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Liner. I'm going to be applying it to my waterline and smudging it out as well with a little brush. Okay, so next I'm doing my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Powder and Granite. I'm going to be trying to follow her brows as closely as I can. Okay, so next I'm applying some lipstick, and I'll be using the Clinique's Red Drama lipstick, and I'll be using a little liner brush to line my lips first, and of course I'll fill them in. I want to get like a nice, thin, clean lines. Okay, so I'll be applying some mascara off camera and my lashes as well, but I'm wearing the Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes in the style Domina, and I think they're really perfect for this look. Also, the name goes well with Lady Dimitrescu, so yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go change in the costume and do my hair, and I'll be back to you guys. Alrighty you guys, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I had a lot of fun recreating Lady Dimitrescu. She's so amazing. I still haven't personally played the game yet, and I want to play it, so hopefully if it ever goes on sale then I'll totally buy it, because I'm really interested in the story. And there's also some other characters that I would really like to recreate as well. I can't remember the name of one specific character, but I really want to recreate her as well. So basically for this costume I just had this white peasant top from Forever 21 that I've had since like the summer, and then I made this. The roses, I actually got some dollar store roses from the 9-10 store. I only paid $1 for it, and then I used 3 of the roses and some of the leaves and made basically a button. And then of course the hat I actually got from the 9-10 store during the summer. It was like already the end of summer, and it was like a cream color basically, but I just spray painted it black. Voila, black hat. So like I already have a black hat, but it wasn't big enough, you know. So here we are. It's a pretty big hat, you guys. Also, I made my hair look short. I'm not sure if y'all can even see that at all. I can't see it on my viewfinder, but I did manage to make my hair look short like hers, and then I pinned some up and curled some loose, like the loose ends on the front. So I did that. And then these I just made out of foam. They're not perfect. You could probably see the hot glue, but we're just not gonna look at that. But I made some like really quick claws. So yeah. The necklace, this is actually like a little pearl necklace that my grandma had given me like a long time ago, and this charm was actually on a little vase that I found at my grandparents' house. I just basically used stuff that I found. Also these gloves, they were given to me, so yeah. Basically this costume was like cheap for me. Like it was, I mean it's not exact, but I got as close as I can to it, and I'm really happy with myself, you guys. So basically this whole costume probably cost me like around less than $10. I mean of course maybe not counting the materials that I already have bought in the past, but I really don't count those because technically those already are mine, so I don't really count. But I paid like maybe $2 for the hat, and then $1 of course for the flowers, and maybe like $1.99 for the phone, $1, I don't remember. But I also bought like other foam for like other projects as well. Make sure you guys leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you guys do check out my Resident Evil Vampire Daughter recreation. This one, it'll probably go up before this video, so make sure you check that out. I'll make sure to leave a little card up here, and also at the end of my video you guys can be able to click on it. I think I did a really good job on that one too as well. I really like the way that one came out. I already had like a lot of clothing for it already, and I was like, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, I don't think I've ever recreated video game characters in the past. At least I don't think I have, but this is like my first time technically recreating characters from video games, especially horror video games. That's amazing, you guys. I do like horror movies and of course horror video games. Horror video games I like, but like also I don't like them because you're playing it and then you don't know what's gonna come up next around the corner, you know. So it's like, but I like it. I like the rush, the the adrenaline that I get from playing horror video games. So yeah, so make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you do hit that notification bell so that way you guys will be notified whenever I do post on YouTube. Make sure you guys do subscribe and stick around to my channel because I will be posting throughout the month of October a bunch of Halloween makeup tutorials, you guys, and I am excited. Don't forget to also check out my Depop shop down below. I'll have it linked down below in the description box, but I do have a bunch of really cool band t-shirts listed on there, some really cute goth pieces, and pretty much everything ranging from like size extra small to large, and they're all of my personal closet. So make sure you guys do check out my Depop. Also make sure you guys do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. So I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys.